14 Regina reporting live from Listen Up USA. And now we go to our reporter at large, David Sandstorm, who's reporting live from Sandy Toe Beach for coverage of the sinking storm that has been threatened to laugh at the East Coast for 14 weeks now. David, pictures from Channel 1 Doppler 1 million satellite show that the storm has moved out to sea. So, David, why are you reporting?
It's crazy here on Sandy Toe Beach. There's pigs flying everywhere, and it's so windy, and I just can't believe it. And my wind, and wind blowing on pigs away.
Diddle paddle. Raindrop, raindrop.
Pigs flying. And some more about this beach when we go back to the studio.
David, all I see is an assistant camera operator acting like it's raining. It does not look like a storm to me. In fact, there's not even a cloud in the sky. There's only a fake pig.
This storm is real, and there's pigs everywhere, and it's out of control. Holy Jehoshaphat! Britney Spears is passing by? Oops, I did again.
Uh-oh. Miss Maria, what shall we do? The reporter was blown away by the air.
It's Maria.
Oh, sorry, Miss Marie. Okay, back to the studio.
Somebody get me an aspirin.
Oh, where am I? That was a long blue way. Oh, what are these people? I'm stuck in an island. Where am I? Maybe it's going to be good for my career. Maybe I can be a TV show, Survival on the Island.
Hello, here is Mr. President, and Mr. President, do you have anything to say to the children of the United States?